Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to disable Meta AI from WhatsApp. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and tap on any individual or group chat. Step 2. Tap the contact or group name at the top of the screen. This opens the chat setting. Click on the group info. Step 3. Scroll down and find Advanced Chat Privacy. Tap it and turn it on. Now try typing at the red Meta in the chat. You will see a warning. Meta AI is not available in this chat. It is disabled. Repeat the process for your all chats. For groups, you will need to be the admin to enable this. Turning on advanced chat privacy also blocks exporting chat history and auto downloading media, giving you extra privacy and security. Remember this point, if you tap the contact and don't see chat setting, don't worry, WhatsApp is rolling this out in stage. First, go to the Play Store and update WhatsApp. If you still don't see advanced chat privacy, you might need to wait for the rollout in your region. In the meantime, just avoid using the Meta feature. WhatsApp would not activate it unless you do. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp and privacy tips. Drop a comment if this option is available in your country. Thanks for watching.